Today, we're going to test out Sally Hansen's Instant Cuticle Remover. So here I'm just showing you the package because the instructions are included on the back side. And then here I'm showing you what the bottle looks like. It has this little nozzle tip for easy application. So I'm just going to apply it to my cuticles of each finger. Now the instructions does say to let it sit for 15 seconds, but I've seen other comments within the groups that I follow that say 15 seconds doesn't work. So instead of doing 15 seconds, I decided to do 3 minutes to see how it actually works. Now I do have another video that shows you how I prep and clean up my cuticles, but in that video I do it on a dry nail. So this is going to be a little different because of course this is a wet application. So once I apply the cuticle remover, then I go through, I'm not scraping or anything, I'm just going through and smoothing it out along my nail as well as down the side walls and making sure it's all over my cuticles before I let it sit. Okay, 3 minutes is up, so now I'm just going to take the pusher end of my cuticle stick and push all the product as well as my invisible cuticle upwards. Then I'm going to take the scraper end of it and scrape all of the dead skin off of my nail, but I'm only working with the invisible cuticle. I'm not messing with the proximal fold of my nail. I know some people do like to go through and also cut the proximal fold of their nail. I personally don't, which is why I did say in the thumbnail, no cutting required. So here I'm showing you the difference between the invisible cuticle and your proximal nail fold. Now, sometimes there will be dry skin along your proximal nail fold, so you can go through and cut that with cuticle clippers if you choose. Again, it's a personal choice. It's not something that you have to do, but you should definitely make sure that you clean your cuticle as well as remove all of the invisible cuticle prior to applying any nail application. Now that I've gotten that explanation out of the way, I'm just going to show you guys how I go through and clean up the invisible cuticle and as well as my sidewalls on the rest of my nails. Because as you will see, some nails do require more work than others. These are my nails after I've wiped off the cuticle remover product. All I did was go through with acetone and just wipe each fingernail down. Now I did notice there were some spots on a few fingers that I wanted to push back a little more and clean up just a little bit more, so that's what I'm doing here in this clip. But I will say overall, the Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover worked really great. I did notice a big difference between when I do them dry whereas when I use this product. So overall, I have no complaints about it. Now here, since I'm done and fully washed my hands, I'm just going through and applying Sally Hansen's cuticle oil on top just to finish off. Once I'm done rubbing in that product, I'm just going to let that sit overnight. Here's how my nails look afterwards, and then I'll prep for the next look tomorrow. As always, thanks for watching.